Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Got our Chippendale railing job in Macon, Georgia wrapped up. Isaiah, Makara, and Jose just aced this job. This was the first time for us, but everybody read up on it and just could not be any happier how the job turned out. Great attention to detail. Exactly like our plan that I'll show you in a second. The homeowner is thrilled. Really nice landscaping, no damage at all. George Robertson will get over here next week, get all this prepped out, primed. We're going to paint the underside of the ceiling, dress this house up. It's really going to make it stand out from the neighbors. Just a timeless classic railing. There was some difficulty just figuring it out for system. We used 3.5 inch spacing, match up to everything else, the regular pickets. Once we got our pattern in place, wrote all our angles down, and made it happen. So if we can help you out with your custom carpentry, interior or exterior, please give us a call. Got crews, equipment, experience to make it easy and get it right for you the first time. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.